thanks for the sketch, Dom. Lovely sketch. So my name is Beaven. I'm part of the design team along with Dom. And I'm just going to illustrate what happens next in the process of design. So once you have a nice sketch, the next bit to do is to do a really nice rendering of the design. To do that, I'm obviously working at home today, so I've just got basically a standard PC, and I'm using some software called Photoshop, but you can use any paint program really, as long as you've got layers. And I've got this, the only difference really is I've got this little Wacom, Bluetooth Wacom tablet, and it just replaces the mouse, so it's much easier to draw when you have a pen and a tablet rather than a mouse. So the first stage is to take the drawing, this lovely sketch, and I'll scan that in and I'll put it on the Photoshop. Okay, so that's the rendering done. I have a printout over here as well. So a drawing like this will probably take around 2 to 3 hours. We try not to spend too much longer on the drawings because we like to explore lots of different ideas. So we would produce lots of drawings like this one and have them all over the studio to experiment as much as possible. But obviously this is still very 2D, so Jaguars are all about 3 dimensions. So the next bit is to really make it come to life in 3D. And that's where Chris can help us. So I'm going to send this as an email over to Chris, and he can start showing you how to make something like this really come to life in 3D. Over to you, Chris.